There's no telling what can happen next. Life on the edge feels a sickness in my head. It invents the type of thoughts that got a lot of brothers dead. The smarter brother knows to keep his folks close, and I'm the type of brother that's smarter than most. A cold-hearted overdose of lyrical antidotes, secure to make sure my karma can't take me down. Up to the same old tricks, I wonder if I'll stick around. Is a penny really lucky if you find it on the ground? What's the problem with this town? I can't figure it out. My karma's crashing down in the form of a black cloud.
Little black cloud that follows me everywhere I go. Takes over me. I got a little black cloud that follows me everywhere I go. Takes over me.
I'm sick. I got a real ill disposition. My intentions are pure, but there's a cure for my condition. My decisions put me in the wrong positions. Chasing pipe dreams of fame and recognition. The epic, not only a name, a definition. My game remains a matter of pain. I save the trauma, the dawn of karma. I navigate it like the Dalai Lama. I ain't a saint, but I got joie de vie, and I'm the one to blame if the cloud rains on me. I can't complain about it, or even let regret provoke the energy it takes for me to get upset. A bad voice sings birth, so I can't forget. What goes around comes around, and it ain't got me yet. I've got rise of my age, and tame the threat of my rage. I had a lot to learn, and I got money to spend to pretend it's reaping more than someone ever could mend.
Take my turns and for a dime. The pleasure is fading away now. Black clouds lifted for the light. The pleasure is fading away now. 1,000 cigarettes won't change the way we feel. The pleasure is fading now. Can you bear the thought of knowing the truth? Knowing the truth.
I was rapping in the rain, hoping that my luck would change. And if there's any truth to all those old sayings, 'cause if I killed a spider, would my house catch a fire? If I walked under a ladder, would it matter? I tend to laugh when black cats cross my path, break mirrors in half just to test the aftermath. Now here comes the rain. I project my pain, trying to make sense of these crazy things. I'm a diamond in the rough, could I suffer enough? I'm getting high for a living, not giving a fuck. These hard times got me stuck in the jam. I'm the monkey on your back and the crack in the dam. Disastrous, took time to master this. And the past is just a map to capture this. In the darkness, I'm forced to adapt to this. I would change the past if I could have one wish.
Take my torture for a dime.
my revolving door. Some ladies never come back, most come back for more. I got a house in the hills with a door that spins, goes in and out and in, round and round again. I live a life these player haters would love to be living. Since a kid I've been surrounded by beautiful women, and slipping in them to win them the unforgiven. Still something's missing, cause deep inside I'm suffering of a lonely heart condition. Wishing I could find a girl that'll take me away from the chaos of the city and the everyday part that I play. Tell me why lay low, I say no when I got girls serenading at my window. Ladies good to go, he's major league, the new breed, no so-so. Highly advanced, they got the game to get in any girl's pants. And romance is stone, cause I'm old and hold my own. They call me Shifty Capone, I make 'em moan. Yes, I'm the one, between these sheets I amaze and stun. Ain't no need for me to brag about the way that I'm hung. Let's just say I got the skills to get the flyest girl sprung. Oh, the taking, making up the lady feel young. The ladies come, ladies go, I'm my revolving door. Some ladies never come back, most come back for more. I got a house in the hills with a door that spins, goes in and out and in, round and round again. Now ladies come, ladies go, I'm my revolving door. Some ladies never come back, most come back for more. I got a house in the hills with a door that spins, goes in and out and in, round and round again.
My girls in rotation, you're rotating. You're looking for a good time, I'm always on vacation. Could stop by, baby, if you wanna try your luck. But don't waste my time unless you're down to fuck. Unless you're coming back for more, then you know what's up. You know the routine, girl, you're not the one, you're just a one-night fling. Some master holders casting over to the right girl pass. And when the right girl pass, I'll drop this lifestyle fast. Cause what I'm really looking for is the one that'll last. To make my present a past, my adolescence surpass. By the word of chill, I'm looking for something real in the world of fake hoes and high heels. I'll drip hot wax on your nipples, causing trouble. And where you ride me, yo, I'll be throwing up that triple-double. My sex drive kicking, I'm sexually exploring. So many possibilities, it seems my life could never get boring. Cause I ain't fucking around, I'll rub you down the right way. I rock your world, not late, so can I hit it lightly? Yo, girl, I like it like that, let me hit it from the back. I'm a natural aphrodisiac, better known as a Mac.
Now ladies come, ladies go, I'm my revolving door. Some ladies never come back, most come back for more. I got a house in the hills with a door that spins, goes in and out and in, round and round again. Now ladies come, ladies go, I'm my revolving door. Some ladies never come back, most come back for more. I got a house in the hills with a door that